Contract number 1. The construction of a sanitary sewage system and a water supply system on Kolorowa housing estate in Zielona Góra. Within the framework of the contract, the following works will be performed on Kolorowa housing estate in Zielona Góra. A gravitational sanitary sewage system of length over 3.5 kilometers, 2 pumping stations and a water supply system of length over 3.5 kilometers. Contract number 2. The renovation of the existing sewage system in the town of Zielona Góra. The contract includes renovation of existing sections of the sewage system in the town of Zielona Góra on the following streets: Wyszyńskiego, Ogrodowa, Morelowa, Westerplatte, Dworcowa, Batorego, Dąbrowskiego, Walińskiego, Sowińskiego, Sienkiewicza, Ułańska, Fabryczna, Prosta, Foluszowa, Żeromskiego, Kasprowicza, Lisowskiego and Niepodległości Avenue. Restoration of wells and chambers will be performed too. The total length of the sewage system planned for renovation is 9.13 kilometers. Contract number 3. The construction of a sanitary sewage system in Racula and Jonków. Within the framework of the contract, the following works will be performed in Racula: a sanitary sewage system of length approximately 26.7 kilometers and 8 pumping stations, and in Jonków, a sanitary sewage system of length approximately 8.5 kilometers and 4 pumping stations will be implemented. Contract number 4. The construction of a sanitary sewage system on Słoneczna Street in the village of Jonków in the commune of Zielona Góra. The contract concerns construction of a gravitational sanitary system and pressure pipelines in the total length of approximately 1.2 km. Contract number 5. The construction of a sanitary sewage system and water supply system on Jędrzejów Uczonych housing estate in Zielona Góra. The contract will be performed on Jędrzejów housing estate and includes Uczonych housing estate and the following streets: Wronia, Kolberga, Funka, Kasztanowa, Zbożowa, Dożynkowa, Boczna, Pinokio, and the intersection of Budowlana and Nowojędrzejowska streets. The total range of works is over 7 kilometers, including a gravitational sanitary sewage system of length approximately 5.4 kilometers, a pressure sanitary sewage system of length approximately 1.7 km and 2 pumping stations, a water supply system of length approximately 1.8 km, Project implementation will increase a sewage system coverage rate in the agglomeration from the current state 92.3% to 96.7%. As a result of implementation of the project, approximately 5,524 users will be plumbed in. The owner of the infrastructure will be Zielonogórskie Wodociągi i Kanalizacja Limited Liability Company in Zielona Góra. Implementation of the investment involves satisfaction of inhabitants of areas included in the project too. I'm very glad that the sewage system will be here. Our housing estate will have all media, water, gas and now this. Life will be easier. I've been waiting for this investment for at least 10 years. Ever since water supply system arrived, everyone's wished for a sewage system in our towns. It's yet another investment, as the gas pipeline was the first improvement. Later there was water supply system, and now we have another step. In the 21st century we have a sewage system. I'm sure everyone is looking forward to these works to start. I yearn for this sewage system, and I'm sure it will be an enormous achievement if we manage to complete it. It will save us a lot of money as well. The investment will influence development of water and sewage infrastructure due to organization of water and sewage management. Moreover, the investment will directly contribute to protection of the Odra River basin. Furthermore, the investment will improve quality of surface waters, especially sources of drinking water for the inhabitants. The conveniences of implementation of a water supply system and a sewage system include both improved living standard of all inhabitants and more beneficial economic accounts for each user. Implementation of Stage 2 of the project will significantly improve water and sewage management in the agglomeration of Zielona Góra. It is a proof that financial aid from the Cohesion Fund within the framework of the Infrastructure and Environment Operational Programme enables implementation of many large investments that have a key importance for Poland's development. Implemented infrastructure investments will strengthen Poland's economic, social and spatial cohesion with other EU countries.